today I just got my package from Party City. I just ordered my costume. I'm so excited. It's gonna be like my first cosplay that I'm gonna be doing, and also this for Halloween. So this is my first time buying like an official Halloween costume. So yes, today we're gonna open it today. I'm so excited for future content and everything. So yeah, let's get this open. I'm so excited. Actually, it's an Xmen character, so I'm so like revealing this stuff. Oh my god, it's here! I'm so excited. Do they have it? I don't think they will give us a wig. Okay, good. They don't give us a wig. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is my costume. I'm so excited. It's here. I got it in the plus size because I don't know if it would fit me. But the extra large is like 5'6", so I think this would be good for my size. But yeah, I'm so happy. If you want me to do more reveal of costumes or anything or whatever, I'm gonna see how this is. 2 extra large. Yeah, this is gonna fit me. Yeah, this is gonna fit me pretty well. Yeah, I'm excited. So this is like my first time doing this, and yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys later on. It's gonna be a short little video, and yeah, thank you, Party City. If you want me to do more of these, hit subscribe and like. I will see you guys later. Bye.